I just stumbled upon a brand new indicator on TradingView that identifies trend lines with 100% accuracy. It provides simple buy and sell signals with profit targets whenever a trend line is broken. In this thorough tutorial, I'll show you how to correctly use this incredible indicator and provide a complete trading strategy that can earn you significant profits. Many would charge hundreds of dollars for this information, but I'm sharing it for free. All I ask is that you like this video and share it with your friends so they can profit too. Before we get started, it's important to note that this technical analysis tool can be used for trading highly volatile cryptocurrencies, stocks, futures, and forex pairs. The most suitable time frames for this indicator are 5 and 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. To apply this indicator to your chart, log into your TradingView account and open any market. Currently, I'm monitoring the Ethereum price chart on the 15-minute time frame. Open the indicators and search for trendline breakouts with targets. Select this one by Chart Prime. Now, let's thank the creator of this amazing script. The Trendline Breakouts with Targets indicator is meticulously crafted to improve trading decision-making by pinpointing trendline breakouts and breakdowns through pivot point analysis. Upon the occurrence of a breakout or breakdown, a signal is diligently assessed against a false signal condition, after which the indicator promptly generates a trading signal. Additionally, it conducts precise calculations to determine potential target levels and then displays them graphically on the price chart. These features make this tool stand out from all other trendline indicators on TradingView. Now let's see how this indicator works in practice. The indicator draws a downward trend line when the market makes lower highs. As soon as the price bar closes above the trend line, the indicator generates a buy signal with a profit target based on market volatility. If the price reaches the target, the label becomes green. You can choose to follow these targets or set your own. The smartest idea would be to take a partial profit once the price reaches the indicator target and let the rest of the position run until the price triggers a trailing stop loss. When the price makes higher lows, the indicator draws an upper trend line. If the price breaks below this trend line, the indicator gives a sell signal and a recommended target is also displayed on the chart. In the indicator inputs, you can customize the period and trend line length. Changing the period number to a higher value makes the indicator less reactive to price changes, hence you'll receive fewer signals. Extending the lines further can sometimes be quite beneficial. Let me show you what I mean. For example, let's set this number to 50. Now we can use trend lines to get a discounted price when opening a trade. Let's say a downward trend line gets broken and a sell signal is given. Instead of opening a short position here, you now have the option to wait for the market to retest the trend line. If you see the market struggling to break above it, you can initiate a short trade at this price and catch more pips. You can apply the same strategy to long entries too. For example, here the indicator produced a buy signal. This price for opening a long trade isn't bad. However, if you had waited and opened the position at the trend line retest, you would have gotten a slightly better deal. If you think these indicators are on fire, smash that like button and subscribe to Income Nomad for future updates. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Taking into account a long-term market bias is vital to eliminate fake breakouts. You see, when the market is controlled by bulls, a trend line breakdown is just a short retracement before another significant price increase. As a result, opening a trade at this time is very risky as you bet against the market. There are many ways to eliminate signals like this. For instance, you can install a 200 exponential moving average on the chart. You buy only when the price bar is closed above the EMA and sell when it's below it. This way, you can cancel the majority of fake signals. Another more advanced way to increase signal accuracy is by adding a good volume indicator. Volume Flow Indicator by Lazy Bear does a very good job at canceling low-quality signals. Before we proceed with the strategy, let's open the indicator style and increase the line's opacity. In the input section, I recommend enabling the smoothing option. The volume flow indicator consists of three components: the volume flow band, the EMA of volume flow, and the middle band, which acts as a baseline. The reason this indicator is so powerful is that it shows buyers and sellers' dominance and can be used for finding divergences. The easiest and most effective way to combine the volume flow indicator with the trend line breakouts tool into one strategy is as follows for a buy trade. Look for a trend line breakout first. As we discussed earlier, you can open a trade on a signal or wait for a trend line retest. Volume flow will confirm every signal given by the trend line breakout tool. So if, at the time of the signal, the volume flow line is above the MABA band and they're both positioned above the middle level, the trade is valid. The same rule applies if you decide to open a long position on the trend line retest. For this strategy, place a stop loss at the recent swing low. To determine the take profit price, use the indicator target as a reference point. However, your risk to reward ratio should not be lower than 1:1. As soon as the price reaches your target, close half of the position and move the stop loss to break even. Even at this point, you have nothing to lose. Apply the opposite rules to short trades. First, look for a trend line breakdown signal. Second, check market volume. It must be negative, meaning the volume flow band is below the EMA and both bands lie below the middle level. If the volume flow indicator does not confirm a signal, skip the trade. Place the stop loss at the recent high. Apply the same money management rules as for long trades. Elevate your trading game to new heights. Look no further than Funded Next, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a Funded Next account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With Funded Next, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets Funded Next apart? Let me break it down for you. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure with Funded Next. You trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Trade with peace of mind thanks to our intelligent drawdown calculations. No unnecessary stress, just smooth sailing towards your trading goals. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with Funded Next. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get. Don't pay with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join Funded Next today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with Funded Next. Traders, I hope you understand this trading strategy. If you have any interesting ideas or better indicators, please write them down in the comments. Be sure to backtest this or any other trading strategy you find on Income Nomad. Once you're satisfied with the backtesting results, be sure to forward test your favorite strategy on a demo account. Only after that can you trade with it on a live account. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may the charts be ever in your favor.